Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you a tutorial on inequalities and regions. So here we have a line. This line represents what x can be. Firstly, the open circle represents that this number is not included, and there will always be a number below it. On the line there will be thick sections of this line and thin sections of this line. And the thick section represents all the numbers that x can be. And if this line is pointing to the right, it means x is bigger than the number here. And if it's pointing to the left, it means x is smaller. So first of all, remember that the open circle represents that this number 1 is not included. So this line actually shows that x is any number, it shows that x is any number bigger than 1. And we know this because, first of all, this line is facing that way, so it means that x is bigger. And there's an x right next to it, so clearly that's x. And the thick line is always x, remember that. And this circle, this empty circle, represents that 1 is not included, or any of these numbers is not included. Alright, I'll do another example. This one's a slightly different one. The circle here is shaded, and the arrow this time is pointing to the left. So a shaded circle represents that this number 2 is -2 is represented, and because the arrow is pointing left, it means x is smaller than this number represented here. And the way you write this is x is smaller than, basically when this thing here is this half completed triangle is facing a number, it means this number is bigger. And this end here, the pointy end, represents smaller. So if you write 100 and you have the number 1, 100 is bigger than 1, so you draw this facing the 100. And here, so it means x is smaller than -2. But because we have the shaded circle, we also put a line here. So this now represents that x is equal to or smaller than -2. Now, if a question appears like this, firstly you look at the straight line, and then you look at what parts of the line are thicker or more darkly shaded. And the bit that is darkly shaded in this case is from here all the way up to this point. And all of this represents x. Then you look at the circles presented to you. Normally there's 1 or 2. Then you look at if the circles are shaded, like this one here, or if they're not shaded, like this one here. The not shaded means that this number is not included. So 4 is not included in the possibilities of x. All the possibilities of x are here. And because the circle above 1 is shaded, it means 1 is included in the possibilities of x. And this is how you write it. So you write 1, and x is bigger than 1 because x is kind of this way. It means because the thick line expands up to here, it means is bigger than 1, and is equal to 1. So you put this thing here. This just represents that 1 is equal, or no, x is equal to 1 or bigger. And you write the x in the middle because x is in the middle here. And there is the 4. And x is definitely smaller than 4 because 4 is here and x is behind it. And x is not equal to 4 because this circle is not shaded, so you just write the 4. And there's your answer.